Are you feeling bored with your life? Do you want to make your life interesting? Are you ready to gamify your life? In this video, I'm going to be sharing you a simple technique that you can instantly apply to your life and make your life most enjoyable and most interesting. When I was 7 years old, I had to take a medicine for some reason which really tasted yuck, so horrible. And whenever my mom brought it to me, the sight of it, the smell of it only made me feel so nauseating and I used to vomit. But my mom was very smart. She used a lot of creative ways of giving this medicine to me. She mixed the medicine with gulab jamun one day. She actually crushed it and put honey and gave me one day. And she used to just come up with a lot of creative ideas to give this medicine. And finally, I got well, and then it was a lesson for my life. So after I became a trainer and coach, I really thought about this 7 years old mom taught lesson, and she used a very simple technique called sandwich technique. I started using this technique as a trainer and coach to all people who approach to me. Of course, as trainer and coaches, it is our responsibility and duty to ensure that people take them out of the comfort zone and achieve what they want to achieve in a enjoyable way. 6 months ago, a lady came to meet me and said that Purni, I am really into a big issue. I have no confidence because I am overweight. I really wanted to lose my weight. And I immediately asked her why not go to the gym. She said that she had paid twice for the gym whole period, but not a day she was able to be motivated to go and work out in the gym. The thought of it only drains her energy. And I then asked her what is that she loves doing. And she says she loves hearing to music. Here came this idea into my mind of what my mom used when I was 7 years old, the sandwich technique. And then I immediately suggested her to come the next day to the gym and wait for with the earplugs to hear music and not to work out. And she was there before me. I told her to focus more on the music and less on exercising, and slowly she also started loving the exercise along with it. And after that, it was a history that she did not like the gym. She was the first one always to go to the gym and enjoyed workout along with hearing music. So, are you also excited to learn this simple sandwich technique and use it in all the challenging areas of your life? It's very simple. Pause this video and take a pen and paper and wait for my instructions. There are 3 steps that you need to follow to achieve this sandwich technique. Step number 1, please list down the challenging areas or the pain areas that you're currently facing which you've been postponed doing for a long time. These pain areas or activities can be anything like waking up early in the morning, or not being able to go to the gym, or not able to study well, or anything that is really hindering your progress, which you wanted to do but not able to do. So you will be given 10 seconds time to list out such activities, at least 3 or 4 of that activities. And your time starts now. Moving to step number 2. Step number 2 is you need to list out all the areas or activities you love doing. You really enjoy doing that. It can be like hearing music or cooking or art or any kind of thing that you really love doing. 10 seconds time again to list out 3 or 4 of such activities which you really love doing, and your time starts now. Moving to step number 3, the last step of the sandwich step, where you are going to be combining the activities that you listed in step 1 and step 2. Here, you're going to be as creative as possible in mixing the activities or sandwiching the activities to ensure that all your pain and challenging areas or activities also become enjoyable in your life. I hope you got a lot of interesting combinations of how you can definitely change your pain tasks into most enjoyable things in your life. Please list out in the comment section as to whatever you discovered during this activity. It is definitely going to help a lot of other people also. If you found this video useful, please share it to as many people possible to ensure that they are also into the gamification of their life. And like the video and subscribe for this channel to ensure that you are getting more and more great updated super videos from me.
This is Dr. Purni, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring, and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success.